In your worship, you always think of going to a pilgrimage center, finding a temple. Even prior to that, I have a good plan to find a temple that has good stories associated with the temple. If possible, some footprints of sages, saints, and why not of Krishna and Rama. Advanced worship, why have you to run around? Devo devalayo prokto. Your body itself is the greatest of all temples, most practical for you than any other temple. So consider your body as a temple of God. Jivo Devaha Sanatana. And discover the very soul in you is God, God's expression, just like a reflected sun in a jar of water. The reflected sun is nothing but the sun. The jiva in you, the awareness, consciousness that expresses in the form of this is my body, this is me, this is mine. These are all magical work of consciousness. That consciousness is Brahman. So where are you looking for the highest God? If you say how distant God must be from me, the fact is you can't even breathe without God being the source. Even your asking the question is a miracle. In other words, even the function of your mind is not handled by your ego. It is sourced by God's presence. In brief, turning your attention to the sacredness of your personality, being in your personality with a spirit of surrender to God and with a sense of experiencing thrill, inspiration, not waiting for a black future, but waiting for future brighter and brighter. All that is there at every moment. So which pilgrimage center you want to go to? The greatest pilgrimage center is there right in your personality.